everyone and welcome back to the channel. Grahame and I just left Tannum Sands this morning. That was a nice little spot. We stayed at a Discovery Park, which was really nice, lots of room. So right now we're headed towards Rockhampton. So we're just coming over the bridge and we're just coming into Rocky.
This is all floodplain.
So,
and here we have the famous Rockhampton is the beef capital. We'll have a look at the cow here on the entry gate. Look at him. Big Brahman bull. This is the entry roundabout into Rockhampton. Have a look at this fella. Now when I was up at Northern Territory, there was you could actually get the hump of the Brahman as a slow cooked feed, right? There it is anyway.
yeah, so we're just going to go into Rockhampton and do a few things, and then we're going to decide which way we're going to go. Whether we're going to go continue up the coast road or we're going to go inland. I think it's called the Country Way or maybe the Burnout Highway. So we'll have a look at which way we're going to go, and yeah, fill you in when we decide what we're doing.
All right, so there it is there. Look at that guy. It's a big cow. It's been, it's even got a brand on it there. S. There's another one over there. There's another cow there. And yeah, there's a little park just on the way into town. Nice waterfalls running down up here. And yeah, we've got ourselves a big bull. So, after a bit of deliberation, we've decided we're going to go inland and head up through Emerald. So we'll get back in the car. Mistie just made some lunch here at the Frank Ford Park. So nice little pull-off area right as you arrive into town. And yeah, you got this beautiful waterfalls and stuff. And the two bulls. Mistie's catching up on her text messages. All right, we're going to get back in the car and head to Emerald.
The town of Duaringa. It's one of the oldest settlements here on the Capricorn Way in this area. So we're just going to pull over and have a look around and see what we can find.
All right, let's show them Duaringa.
There should be a park around here somewhere near the main street.
Or a binda ass.
A nice old home.
I think it's an old shop or co-op or something.
Oh look.
So there's a free camp here?
The free camp. What a great spot.
So there you have it, people. The Duaringa rest area. And you can camp.
Yeah.
And this guy sells oranges. Look at the orange man.
Everyone looks pretty well set up, like they've been here for a few days, so yeah, it says no camping, but...
So this says the Duaringa Township came to life in the 1860s due to its locality of two roads, one going south to Springshaw and one west to Mackenzie River at Bedford Crossing, the town itself was not populated until around March 1876 with the opening of the Dawson Railway Bridge and the rail line continuing to Duaringa. Further information, please visit the Historical Tourism Association. See the old petrol station, general store, CWA hall, council building, the railway. We've got a locomotive here coming into the end of the town. Anglican church, there's a big bridge there. Interesting. So this little spot's just on the highway.
So Duaringa was a very small town with not much to see, but the free camp there was pretty good, I thought. So if he's ever going through there, just check it out if you need a rest. There's showers, toilets, place to stop. So now we're just going to continue on our journey towards Emerald.
See this coal train? They're that long, they've got locos in the middle. Just show you that, Mistie. And up the end here, you can see it loading. This is on the side of the highway between Rockhampton and Emerald. So you can see the loader. What it does, as the train slowly moves forward, it dumps coal into each wagon. So what they do is they have locos on each end. Well, sorry, they have locos on the front, and then they have locos in the middle, and those locos in the middle are called Wired Distributive Power, WDP. So the locos at the front send a signal via a cable and tell them when to power up and down. So this area is a massive mining area. I think second only to Hunter Valley. Yeah, so we just got to Emerald and the air has just become clear, so I'm glad we're got that behind us. But it is the dry season, so they might be burning off in the cooler weather just to make sure they're right before the heat really kicks in. It's currently 31 degrees here. All right, we'll show you a little bit of driving into town and then we'll shut this off. There you go, Mistie. Duaringa River. Bit of a free camp down the bottom here. So we might go down there and get ourselves a spot, eh? We've got all these spots. Beautiful.
This is the main street of Emerald. Looks pretty nice here after coming through that road. What's it called? Some Capricorn Way. Looks like it's got everything here. So I'll have a bit of a look around tomorrow. And yeah, I think it's pretty nice.
This is the car park at Emerald, just on the way in from Rockhampton side. And there's a free camp here. We were parked up the top here. We just moved our setup so somebody could get their van out. Yeah, so right here you've got the Emerald Botanical Gardens, established 1988. Beautiful bridge. Oh, the backdrop of Mistie. There's an old bridge down there, nice and quaint. The river here, and you have toilets. Here's the map. There's pooch bags if you've got a pooch. All right, so here we are here. Oh, it goes across the other side. Rose garden, herb garden. That's the other side of the river there. That just looks like natural ground. I like the look of that, the river there, it's beautiful. We love the botanical garden. Oh yeah. Go down the middle, Misty. Let's get some scale on this. Wow. They're tall. Go and touch one. Look at this. Misty for scale. Misty is pretty short, but yeah, that'll give you some scale. You be the judge. Not that short.
Grahame is 6'7" tall.
Yeah. Oh, huge area for the kiddos here, Misty. Look at this. There's a train ride. Kids would love that. So if you've got kids, you're going to have a good time here. Nice little wedding spot. It's good that they've got the learning stuff here, isn't it? The alphabet and the weather station, time. Gotta get your head in the fisherman hole, Misty. You got a flying fox, a long one too. And then you got the train ride. Misty's itching to have a go at that. You're flying along, going toot toot.
Yeah, so I'm not sure where we're going to pull up today. We're on our way out west towards Long Reach. But we'll get you posted along the way what we get up to.
Rightio, we'll wrap up the walk here, and yeah, Misty will point us along our journey from here. Alright, catch you later, guys.
So, yeah.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please make sure you like and subscribe. Your support means a lot to us. Hope you can join us in the next video. As always, thanks for watching.